Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable Taskbar Thumbnail Preview, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So I'll show you something. We can preview thumbnails here. Let me show you better here. Search for performance in the Windows search bar and then click on this one, adjust appearance versus performance. There's something called as save taskbar thumbnail previews. It is unchecked by default. If you check it, then you'll see that the options will change a little. And if you uncheck show thumbnails instead of icons, okay, I'll click on apply to show you what happens. All the thumbnails are gone. This is for the taskbar as well, okay. And if you have unchecked this one, then it will also do away with the taskbar thumbnail previews. But if you check it, it will show the thumbnail previews. Click on apply and then on OK, and then when you take it over this, you will see the preview of the thumbnails, which you won't see otherwise. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.